Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Vegetarian Cooking with JJ. Have you ever had one of those days where you're not too sure what you feel like making, what you feel like eating? You're kind of in a browsing mood, more or less. Well, today is one of those days, so I'm going to show you how you can prepare a simple, quick, and delicious, nutritious vegan meal in no time. I'm really excited to get started. And of course, feed myself in the end. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! So I'll just show you some of the ingredients we'll be using over here. Here are some of our ingredients. We've got carrot, Japanese sweet potato left over, some garlic cloves, our yellow onion, our lemon, and we got some string beans, green beans, and our Bouillon steak plant-based seared tips, as well as some parsley to finish things off. And over here we got some hummus, Mad Mexican Salsa Morita, and some earth balance. I'm dicing up this yellow onion. And I'm dicing our Japanese sweet potato into medium cubes. Our pan is hot with some oil, and I'm adding our onions and Japanese sweet potato. Once it gets brown, turn down the heat and add a little bit of veggie stock. We're just covering what's in the pan right now. Now I'm going to cover it for a couple of minutes. I've microplaned some garlic here. I've added our Bouillon steak plant-based seared tips, and you can see that I added more veggie stock. Stir it all up. And I'm adding our green beans. I'm adding about a tablespoon of earth balance to our green beans as well as our microplaned garlic. We're keeping things separate in the pan right now, although the flavors will meld together. I'm sprinkling on some Greek oregano. Add salt and pepper if you like, being mindful of the salt content in the Bouillon steak. Remember to check to see that your Japanese sweet potatoes are cooked all the way through. We have a nice large plate here, so I'm just swirling on some hummus. And I'm adding our green beans and our Bouillon steak mixture. I've mixed some olive oil with the lemon juice, and I'm just spooning some on. Now I'm sprinkling on some sumac. This will provide a sour taste, so feel free to mix things up. Now I'm gonna add our Salsa Morita. Just add a few dollops here and there. Now I'm grating on some carrot. I'll finish this dish off with some chopped parsley. It's that time again, everyone. It's time to try our delicious concoction, our nutritious, delicious vegan meal for those days when you just don't know what you feel like or don't know what you want to make, and maybe you don't even feel like cooking. I hope this inspires you in some way. Adding the hummus to the base was a really great idea. It just adds that much more of a rich, full flavor. We got some sour taste going on, a nice pop with the parsley as well. This is the type of meal you can just throw everything together. You have some veggies in the freezer or some scraps, something like that. Feel free to put your own variation on things and make it your own. And feel free to comment down below if you make something similar to this. I'm interested to hear from you. And remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. There'll be a new video popping up every Monday at 8 a.m. Eastern, so you don't want to miss it. This is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit.